I hope you good, I hope you well, I hope you lit. I miss your touch, I miss your smell, I miss your lips. Maybe grab a drink, maybe grab some food, don't be a stranger. I know it's hard though.
Check. 1, 2, 3, check.
Hey.
Ito ba talaga tayo? Kulang ng
Why do I have to do this?
So their first LYR run. They are quirky, they're snatched, and maybe a little nervous, but that's only.
Yo, I thought I came here for frisbee. I don't know why there's dancers. One minute to game time. Just pulled up. No warm up, no stretching. But whatever. We out here. 2 hours to sleep. Ayan.
Hi guys, shout out Gigo's Ultimate.
Hey guys, hi mama at home.
No words.
Hi.
Thank you sa magandang game. Kami pala yung Dog Pound. From Manila, karamihan. Mostly from Santa Rosa, which is medyo south from Manila. Tapos,
so andyan sila sa mga age na 18 to 21.
Grabe!
Mama, mga bata pa po kami.
Same!
Ang mga kasama ko hindi. Bago lang sila na 1 year.
Wow! Parang si Tito kasi! 1 year!
I love you!
Nice game, nice game. Nice game, nice game. Nice game.
Nice game.
Online class in Davao. What you know about that?
Today. But for this quiz, you'll just...
Negosyo ko yan, right? Negosyo ko yan, di ba?
game. Kanina, pinapanood namin kayo. Nag-warm up.
Manigiyos.
Lahat kayo nag-warm up, kami lahat nakaupo lang doon. So talagang deserve nyo tong game na to.
Boom. Kain.
Kain.
Ilan yung score?
Si Nick.
No blood, no foul. Pero, yan nga. Pero, yun nga. Ano namin,
So done.
so hindi natin alam 2, 3 or so. Kahit mag-isa ka, di ba?
Pero pwede magsakay. One, two, three, double! Nice try, nice try. Lapit na, lapit na!
Nice game!
Patience lang yan, patience lang yan.
That's all.
Go, go!
Nice one. Nice one. Hello.
Okay, ito ka na.
May tulong ka sa akin. Dibiyan ka na, dibiyan ka na.
Nice game.
Welcome dito.
Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game.
PNP is actually a very new team. Because you know police, they cannot make time for practicing, so it's a nice thing. They make it here in one of
Mar at Lazaro. Elio and Reyes, susunod kayo.
Thank you. Yan. Si Boss Nico. Video. Game advisor moments.
Ay, sama ka na sa akin. Ay, ganyan. Papa? Papa ba? Papa? Papa. Ay.
Mami.
Dito.
Tatap na lang.
Si Andres, si Andres.
Kawin na kayo?
Yagin ko ng isa. Bangitan ko.
Nagkaon ng isang liwa.
Ang liwanag ko. Okay, next.
Solo mission tonight. Convenience store. here. My love.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po, sir.
Hey guys, good morning.
Morning!
Ito na yun. Laro natin kahapon. I-apply natin lahat dito. Alam naman natin eh. Tapos yun nga, patience lang. Then,
No breaks! No breaks, ha? No breaks! Hawks! Okay lang. Okay lang. Sen, ready ka, Sen?
Mahirapan kasi yung babae forward. Ayan o. Turn na.
Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game.
Sabi ni Kuya, ibang laro natin pa. May saktong warm up. So, ibang resulta, di ba? So, yun. Good game.
Score. Pa rin, good game pa rin. Yun nga lang siguro naunahan saka yun nga, mas better team sila ngayon. Then
And the score for Truesburg Ultimate.
The goat.
dagang tao.
Nice game. Bang, 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 bang.
Ikaw pa din.
Maraming salamat sa pinakamasayang nalaro sa Kuya.
Wow! Mag-animal sound si Tito.
Mag-animal sound ka daw. Mag-animal sound. 1, 2, 3. Talk now! 1, 2, 3. Susunado. Tama. Gago ka na. I go again.
Hey, hey.
natin ang gamit natin dun para nagka...
positioning the different studies.
Balik lang, guys. Kantat catfish ba? Pero sa ano siya? Sa...
My turtle.
Eat up, hoes. Look at these fat asses. What's up, Milwaukee Bucks? What you doing?
Yung kuha tayo ni Andres po tayo.
Yung tinatago mo na pagod ka na.
Kasi ba yun?
What's up, boy? What's up, bro? Yes, boy. What's up, boy?